Alright, so we've got some Ford Transit electrical problems. Now, when I press the brake pedal, there. When I press the brake pedal, the fog light illuminates. I just heard, for some reason, the parking sensors go off. So, what is causing that problem? Let's have a look. One well-known factor for Ford Transits at the back is the back wiring, and it's these rear light clusters. I've removed this one, and it's still doing the fault. And what happens with these is they get water in them, moisture, and this all corrodes or starts to oxidize on the connectors there, so you get the current tracking across each other and causing you problems. Other thing is, I'll go around here. Other thing is this here, this wiring which goes to the rear door hatch and lock. This can get pinched here. This is the anti-theft bracket which is fitted on here, so people can't get a hacksaw blade or screwdriver blade in there to fiddle with these wires when the door's shut, because that will, if you short these wires out, it can deactivate the central lock and open the van up. Oh yes. So we've got these steel plates on which prevents that from happening. However, when this is opening and closing over time, these can become trapped and they can short out. There's a little bit of insulation damage on that one there. You might not see it on camera, but I can just see it's white. It appears okay, it's not going all the way through. And I've already fiddled with that, disconnected it. It's not that problem. So come round here. We have our other light cluster. I'm going to try and keep that there. So I can I might tape it actually. I just want to see that fog light illuminate at the bottom. Oh, I've just heard a bleeping sound. That sounds like the parking sensors. I've just been fiddling with that light, so if I check the mirror and get inside, fog lights on, and I've not got them on. Gone off. I can't see a fog light activating. Let's see if I can put the fog lights on. So it's on. I don't think the brake light's working now. Here it is. Fog light off. Disconnected this one. Look at all the oxidization in there. Look. Very dirty. It looks like this pin here on this side, the second one in, has just started to melt. So all that there wants a good clean up, or I want to replace this unit. It could be corroded underneath here or anything like that. So right, let's see if it does this fault. Ignition on. Pressing that brake. It's not happening at all. Right, so I'm going to connect the tail light on this side, driver's side, and see what happens now. There we go. Nothing. I'm just giving these a squirt and a rub down with some WD-40. We'll see if that helps. Please work. Solved it. Yeah, that's alright. So just a little bit of oxidization has caused that problem if you have that fault. Okay, I am going to get a new set of these, because if I do corrode any further then it will cause a problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this connector off. I'm going to dip that in good old Harpic, in a little pot of Harpic Power Plus, and that will instantly clear off any oxidization or rust on these connectors. Alright, but I'm going to order another set of these just in case, and I can bang them in there. Right, also LED bulbs are good, aren't they? So that's cured that problem. There's a couple more things I've spotted as well under here. So this is a pinch point there. See that pinch point? That can also be an issue with the wiring. Just down here, this wiring's almost got a split in it, so that can short out. This van's obviously been fiddled around with before I've got it. It did have a little bit of a bash on the rear door there, so people have had these doors off to paint and what have you. But that wiring, I'm going to repair that as well. I think what I'll do with this, because the wiring goes all the way to the top, I'm going to cut that there and just put a connector on here. That way I can pull the wiring through to do any repairs, because I want to check out in here without cutting it up. So anyway, that's cured the problem with the light. I'm also doing a project with my interior of my van. I've got the wiring, I'm disconnected at the moment. I'm ripping this floor out. I'm just fitting some seats in the back, so stay tuned and look at my other videos or my playlist with my Ford Transit MK7 project and see what I'm doing from time to time with this van. I'm going to kit it out in the back, complete what I've set out to do. I've got power in there, did some more videos with some power I fitted. Carpeting, I've done this carpet in the van. Have a look, check them out on my playlist, MK7 Transit project. Okay, right,